In this lecture, we're going to look at building a process map. So an organisational business process map shows how high-level processes link together to provide end-to-end services for the customer. So the below example shows how an organisation business process map may look for a vehicle hire company. So each box that's used in the process map describes a process using the verb-noun naming technique. So it's important to use strong verbs and avoid general verbs such as managing or processing to make sure that the description adequately covers what the process actually does. So if we quickly look through this one, we can see that we have a purchase vehicles process and a take hire reservations process, and both of those processes feed an input into the hire vehicles process. Because without purchasing vehicles and without taking hire reservations, then we can't hire out any vehicles to customers. Hire vehicles process produces an output where the vehicle is out with a customer, and that output then becomes the input into the accept return of the vehicle. So vehicle is out with a customer, we then accept the return of it back into the organisation. And that follows on into assess damages. Now assess damages has two outputs. Either there are no damages, in which case the return deposit process carries on, or there are damages, in which case we repair the vehicle and charge the customer for the repairs. So that's a high level process map, so it doesn't give you very much detail of what's going on within the process, but it does give you a high level how the process moves throughout the organisation. So there's a wide scope and very little detail in the process map, and that was what identifies it as being an organisational level diagram. So similar diagrams are used to show more detail in processes, where each box would represent a task rather than a process. And that's how you tell the difference between a process diagram and a process map. So again, this is what's showing at an organisational level, so a very high level, but as a result low detail. The difference between the process map and the process diagram is that the tasks are actually processes in the map and tasks in the process diagram. So that's it for this lecture. Thanks for listening.